Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect medium burger. Achieving that ideal juicy, pink center is simpler than you might think. We will begin by selecting the right ground beef, aiming for an 80% lean to 20% fat ratio for optimal flavor and moisture. Then, we will discuss forming your patties correctly and seasoning them perfectly to prepare for cooking. Get ready to elevate your burger game. Now, let's get cooking. Whether you are using a cast iron skillet or a grill, preheating your surface to a medium-high temperature is crucial for a beautiful sear. Place your seasoned patties down and resist the urge to press them, which squeezes out precious juices. We will cook each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, allowing that delicious crust to form while the inside cooks to a perfect medium. Knowing when your burger is perfectly medium is key. The most reliable method is using an instant-read thermometer. Insert it horizontally into the side of the patty. You are aiming for an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Visually, a medium burger will display a warm, pink center, offering that ideal balance of tenderness and juiciness. Trust your thermometer for consistent results every time. After cooking, the final, often overlooked, step is resting your burger. Transfer your patties to a cutting board or plate and let them rest for at least 5 minutes. This allows the internal juices to redistribute throughout the meat, preventing them from running out when you take that first bite. Serve your perfectly rested, medium burger on a toasted bun with your preferred toppings for an unforgettable meal. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.